Okay guys, and right here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about the latest updates about the GRASS Airdrop. So we all know that GRASS Airdrop has already done their listing and all that, but still we are still grinding their season 2. Okay, so if you have not yet started with GRASS Airdrop, then do well to use the link right there on the video description box to actually get yourself on the lane right now. So the latest update about the GRASS Airdrop is all about their new app, which is now officially live for everyone. So looking over here on my dashboard, you can see I'm having a message saying disconnected right here, but when I come over here on my own node, you can see that I'm connected. So if you are seeing the same message at your own end that you are disconnected, do not worry. So far that your node is showing that you are connected, then you are 100% safe. Okay, so currently we are on the epoch 8 right here, and this is expected to be the last epoch, though nobody really knows. But so the latest update right now is that the app is live. Okay, and of course you are required to download the app and run your node through the app, and this is in turn going to be giving you 3x boost, meaning that you are going to be earning 3 times faster. But the problem that we are facing right here is that when you try to download the app, you are going to be required to input a code right here. So I've actually tried many codes because I don't have the official codes, but I couldn't get it done. So we now have a means through which you can do this. Okay, so head over right now to the video description of this video, and once you click on the video description, you are going to be brought right here to our Telegram. Okay, so you are going to be brought right here to our Telegram, where we have already dropped the app right here. Bear with me. Okay, so of course right here, this is the app right here. As you can see, I'm currently uploading the app right here live to our Telegram channel. So this is the app right here. So we go ahead and open it up. Okay, so opening up right now, this is what we have right here. This is actually requiring permission. I'm just doing this for the first time, so I will click on this to give it the permission. Okay, and right now we are now giving it permission to use battery, access notification, use cellular connection. So I will click on done right now. Okay, so over here, the first thing, we are going to be required to log into our GRASS account. Okay, log into the account that you are using already if you are doing this, if you have actually started GRASS Airdrop already. So we click on continue right now. They are now going to be sending OTP to our email address that we provided. So once we get the OTP, then we go ahead and put it right here, then we proceed on signing in. Okay, and over here right now, this is the OTP. You can see the OTP is going to be expiring after 10 minutes, and of course we are now good to go. So I will come over here right now. I have to paste it right there. I will click on sign in. Okay, so right now we are going to be taken straight to our dashboard, and of course it is going to be showing all our earning, everything that we have right here on this website right here has been now shifted into our app. Okay, so over here right now, this is what you need to do right now, and of course you can see the connection is actually going through right now, but if you look down here, it is already saying connected. All right, so this is just a network issue we are experiencing right here. So this is the latest update right now about the GRASS Airdrop. Go ahead and take action right now so that you will also be earning at 3x speed. All right, so you'll be earning at 3x speed. So coming over here to the website, you can see we are only earning at 1x speed right here. You can see we are earning at 1x speed. Okay, but when you use the app, okay, when you try it with the app, you are now going to be earning 3 times faster. So this is the latest update right now, and this is the way that you can go through in order for you to boost your GRASS Airdrop earning. All right, so this is the latest update right now. Okay, so if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do it to consider subscribing to our channel, and also like this video you watched right now, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.